Are you tired of spending endless hours in the kitchen, juggling multiple appliances to prepare a meal for your family? Say goodbye to the hassle and hello to convenience with the Ninja DZ550 Foodi 10-quart 6-in-1 DualZone Smart XL Air Fryer. This powerhouse appliance is here to revolutionize your cooking experience and make mealtime a breeze. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. The Ninja DZ550 Foodi 10-quart 6-in-1 DualZone Smart XL Air Fryer is a must-have addition to any kitchen. Cooking efficiency redefined. The Ninja DZ550 Air Fryer takes multitasking to a whole new level with its innovative design and cutting-edge features. With two independent XL air fryer baskets, you can now cook two different foods two ways at the same time, eliminating the need for back-to-back cooking sessions. Whether you're preparing a main dish and side or cooking up a feast for a large family gathering, this air fryer has the capacity and versatility to handle it all. Precision cooking at your fingertips. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to perfect doneness with the integrated Foodi Smart Thermometer. With the Smart Cook system, achieving the ideal cooking temperature has never been easier. Simply select your desired level of doneness, from rare to well done, and let the air fryer do the rest. No more overcooked or undercooked meals, just perfectly cooked dishes every time. DualZone Technology for optimal results. The Ninja DZ550 Air Fryer features DualZone Technology, which gives you the flexibility to cook two different foods with different settings simultaneously. Whether you choose the Smart Finish feature for perfectly synchronized cooking or the Match Cook feature to copy settings across zones, you can enjoy delicious, evenly cooked meals with minimal effort. Versatile cooking options for every taste. With 6 versatile cooking programs: air fry, air broil, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate, the Ninja DZ550 Air Fryer offers endless possibilities for culinary creativity. From crispy chicken wings to succulent roasts, you can whip up a wide range of dishes with ease. Plus, with its wide temperature range of 105 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, you have complete control over your cooking, ensuring perfect results every time. Faster cooking, less waiting. Why spend hours waiting for your meals to cook when you can enjoy faster, more efficient cooking with the Ninja DZ550 Air Fryer? Cook 2 6lb. Chickens up to 30% faster than a traditional oven, or whip up frozen to crispy meals in just 30 minutes. Spend less time in the kitchen and more time enjoying delicious meals with your loved ones. Easy to clean, easy to love. Cleaning up after cooking has never been easier thanks to the non-stick cooking baskets and dishwasher-safe crisper plates included with the Ninja DZ550 Air Fryer. Simply toss them in the dishwasher after use and you're done, no scrubbing or soaking required. Plus, with its sleek design and compact footprint, this air fryer looks great on any countertop and is sure to be a welcome addition to your kitchen. Unlock the full potential of your cooking, ready to take your cooking to the next level. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. The Ninja DZ550 Foodi 10-quart 6-in-1 DualZone Smart XL Air Fryer is a must-have addition to any kitchen. With its innovative features, precision cooking capabilities, and unmatched versatility, it's the ultimate tool for home cooks who demand nothing but the best. Don't wait, order yours today and experience the difference for yourself. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.